Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Google Chrome tutorials. In this video, I show you how to import bookmarks into Chrome from Firefox browser. Suppose we have some important bookmarks in Firefox and you want to access these favorite websites in your Google Chrome browser. No need to create bookmarks again in Chrome. Instead of this, we can import Firefox bookmarks into Chrome browser very easily. Click on More at the top right. Select the bookmarks from the expanded menu. Click on Import to Bookmarks and Settings. Here we need to select the browser that contains the bookmarks. I'm selecting Mozilla Firefox. Next, select the items you want to import. We can select to browsing history, favorites or bookmarks, saved passwords, search engines, and autofill form data. But now I want to import only favorites or bookmarks. That's why I want to uncheck remaining items. After that, click on Import. To finish importing, we need to close all opened Firefox windows. Come to Firefox, close this. Again in Chrome browser, click on Try Again. Once it is finished, we will get a notification. Your bookmarks and settings are ready and showing the option to enable or disable bookmarks bar. I want to enable it only and click on Done. Now on the bookmarks toolbar, we will get a folder titled Imported from Firefox. Click on it to access the favorite bookmarks created in Firefox browser. Again, if you want to remove this from Chrome, simply right click on this folder and from the options please select to delete and it will be removed from our Google Chrome browser. Like this we can import bookmarks into Chrome browser from Firefox. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.